Hey, what is going on YouTube? Are you guys ready to make this seasoning my savage seasoning? Well, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get into it. All right, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1/4 cup sea salt, 1/4 cup brown sugar. And folks, when you mix this brown sugar in there, you got to make sure it's all mixed because it'll clump up on you because it's still moist. Brown sugar is moist. And 1/4 cup smoked paprika. I made this myself. A link will be in the description if you want to make your own. And like I said, mix well. Make sure you get that brown sugar all broken up.